first of all, I would like to ask you, how has your experience been thus far? And what more are you looking forward to taking away from the event?
Hi, thank you. In History for Earth, we are enabling artisans and create a marketplace for them. We are teaching them, we are mentoring them, and small entrepreneurs also. We are planning to introduce them with the right handicraft, right supply chain, so that they can scale in a very clear way. My point is ki when I came to the Bharatex, I wanted to meet different kind of entrepreneurs. I wanted to meet different kind of manufacturers to understand what they are doing into sustainability and how they are making things which can encourage our entrepreneurs and artisans to take this ahead in the global market. But in Bharatex, we have a different kind of sections which I visited. I was very impressed with the handicraft section where everybody is very much dedicated into their art. My organization would like to represent our identity, our heritage to the global level, but we wanted to save it. So when it comes to different art forms, different handlooms, we wanted to make sure that the name of that particular handloom or art form has to be identified as a trademark itself and bar mass productions or units to bar it from to use its name for mass production.
That what will be that one piece of advice that you would like to give to emerging founders who are trying to disrupt the textile space with a conscious heart?
So I wanted to give a simple advice to the founders that whenever you are choosing your raw materials from any of the places, whether it is artisans or from anywhere else for your product, you have to understand that it is not only procuring the products, you have to give them the identity. You have to be aware about the traceability of your product, whatever you are doing something. And important thing that take the responsibility of the end product also, whatever you are making, whether it is a textile or the apparel or any kind of an accessories. Connect with the recyclers, connect with the upcyclers, connect with the artisans where you can transform their products, learn from them, and make something very important, very trendy product which can be sold, and functional product which can be sold to the global market. Give some kind of a recognition to the artisans or the small scale industries from where you are procuring the stuff, so that they can also be the part of your journey. And this is a very important thing. Thank you very much.